Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday, May the 12th, 2020 of YouTube School, Miss Pritchett's K Campers. We are on our final stretch. We have 5 days of kind of normal YouTube school, and then the last week I'll probably only do 1 or 2 videos of just kind of announcements and a couple things like that. So this is really our last week of full 5 days of YouTube school. I want to thank you guys for working so hard. You all have been amazing. Your first grade teachers will be very thankful when they get to meet you in August as a member of their class. Miss Meadows and Miss Lippincott already know many of you very well, and they can recognize you. That is what's awesome about going to Melrose, that we get to be together from kindergarten to 5th grade. So when you're first graders, second graders, or third graders, fourth graders, fifth graders, I'll still be at school and I will be your teacher still. Even though you're not in my room, I will watch you in the hallways at lunchtime, ask your teachers how you're doing. So don't think you can escape. Nope. I still check on you. And I've talked to your first grade teachers. They're very excited to have you, and I filled them in on exactly how well you're doing and where you need to start, and that you just need to take off, that these are cool kids that can read and write. So they're super excited. All righty, let's start our warm-up. Today we are going to do, yesterday we did number words. Today we're going to review our color words. All right. First color word, super easy. Write the word red. You can even sound it out. Red. 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 Good. Next color word, green. Can you remember how to spell green? Can you remember the little song? G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. What is the secret in green? Guys, can you spot it? When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and shouts its name. E. Green. Green. Good job. Let's do blue. Blue next. B-l. Then U says its name. B-l. U-B-L-U-E. This is another example of 2 vowels going walking and the first one doing the talking. Even though you don't hear you say like you, you, blue, it kind of goes, use a funny little sound. But that is the rule there in the color word blue. So we have red, green, blue. Let's do yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Well, you know, Y is at the beginning of the word. So since Y is at the beginning, it gets to say It's sound. O. Now, we have learned the secret for OW, that they fight a lot and they're constantly saying, ow, 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 ow. Yellow? Yellow? No. Remember, imagine that secret, it's the one near the girls' bathroom, okay? That OW actually makes 2 sounds. Most of the time, it says ow when it's together, but it can also, where O gets to wear its superhero cape and says O. Yell, O. So in this word, it has the O sound. If you don't know, try it both ways. If you go O, yellow, that sounds right. Ow, yellow. No, that doesn't sound right. All right, so we have red, green, blue, yellow, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Or, you know the secret of O-R? They can't figure out what to do when they have play dates. Do you want to ride a bike? Or do you want to bake a cake? Or do you want to go swing? Orange. The only other secret here is the G followed by E. Do you remember the G followed by E, or the G followed by I, or the G followed by Y secret? If you have a G and then you have an E, that G makes its soft G sound. J, J. Remember, G makes two sounds. G, G. That is the hard sound. Or J, J. That is the soft sound. And it depends on what letter comes after G. Okay? Orange. So it makes its soft sound in this word. All right. Let's do white. So here's a secret of WH, running, 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 running. They're always trying to get in shape. And then Mama E jumps over that consonant to tell I, say your name. White. White. Let's read these while these are up. Ready? Word. Red. Spell red. R-E-D. Say red. Word. Green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Say green. Word. Blue. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Say blue. Word. Yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. I can't help but sing it. I just can't help it. Word. Orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Say orange. Word. White. Spell white. W-H-I-T-E. Say white. We have some more color words I want to do. Let's do black. Can you remember the song about black? B-L-A-C-K spells black. Flying bats. Witch's hat. Is that right? Black as night without a light. B-L-A-C-K. So, B-L-A-C-K. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Because C and K make the same sound. There's a rule probably of why they're together at the end of a word, and usually if K is the last sound of a word and there's no Mama E, it's usually CK. They need to double team it. Black. All right, let's do pink. Ink. Well, not this word. K is at the end. It's only the K sound is at the end, and it's only a K. I'm telling you, Mr. English was all over the place when he made up all these rules. Pink. Ink. Pink. Let's do purple. P-U-R. Purple. Purple. It's P. Remember, U-R, E-R, and I-R are in those race cars, and they are terrible drivers, and they keep on slamming on their brakes going, oh, purple. All right, let's say these. Say black, spell black. B-L-A-C-K, say black. Say pink, spell pink. P-I-N-K, say pink. Purple, spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, say purple. Good job. All right, before we start on our assignment, I do want to introduce our new sight words, okay? These are our last sight words for May. Many of you guys have already learned them because you're ahead of the game, but I want to go over them with you. This is the word three. We worked on it yesterday. E, three. It's the number word, three, okay? T-H-R-E-E, three. This is the word day, day, D-A-Y. Look at A-Y. They think they're so cool. Day, like in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What day is it? Okay, so you probably recognize day. This is another way to spell to. Remember, there's three ways. There's T-O that you've learned, like I want to go to the park. I want to go to Campestre. Yeah, I do. To, like you're going somewhere or giving something to somebody. And then there's the number word to that we went over yesterday, T-W-O. That means two items. And this is the word to, T-O-O, as in also or too much of something. Okay? Like if you say, if mom says, I'm going to Dairy Queen, and you say, I want to go to. This is the type of to you're saying because I want to go also. Or once you get there, if you eat 5 ice cream cones, you might say, oh, I ate too much ice cream. It can also mean too much. Okay? So we've done those. All right. This is the word fun. Fun. Okay? But you can double the N and add a Y to mean funny. You know that the double N still just makes one sound, and Y at the end of a long word says E. Funny. This one has 2 secrets. The SH, shh. Now, we know OW makes 2 sounds. It can say ow, or O wears the superhero cape and says oh. Let's try them out. Shh, ow. Shall? No. Shh, oh, show. Yes. And you can use the other words in the sentence when you're reading for clues. But that's what good readers do, okay? They use everything they know about a word to figure it out first, and then they use the words around it, and then you use pictures. But more babies use pictures, and then as you grow up, you don't use those as much. There's still good clues about what's going on, and I definitely want you to pay attention to them, but you don't need to use them as much to tell the story because you're word readers now. So this is show. And our last one is OU. Ow! Remember OW and OU say ow? Hour. 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 That means it is your all's. Like if your family has a dog, you might say that is our dog, or this is our house. It's more than one. It's your family. It's like right now I'm sitting in our house. Okay? Hour. Let's go over these one more time. Say hour. Spell hour. O-U-R. Say hour. Say funny. Spell funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Say funny. Say show. Spell show. S-H-O-W. Say show. Say two. Spell two. T-O-O. Say two. Say day. Spell day. D-A-Y. Say day. Say three. Spell three. T-H-R-E-E. Say three. Good job. Now let's start on our work for today. You know I just can't give up the teaching. I was like, I am making all my YouTube videos super short this week. It is the last week. If anybody's still doing it, I can't do it. Like seriously, you'll be lucky I'm not sending you videos over the summer. Crazy. Okay, grab your Camp Cardinal memory book that we made the title page for yesterday, and we made the This Is My School page. Now, you can just create this on your own, or I sent you a link on Dojo that you can print it out. That's up to you, which either way is fine. So we're going to think, draw, write about our classmates. So right now, I want you to think about your classmates, all the kids in your class, in our class. Think about all the students in our class, okay? So, at the top of your page, you're going to title it, if you don't have this page printed off, These Are My Classmates. Now remember, you can pause me to copy this down, okay? Then I want you to draw your classmates. Then we think about it, we draw it, and then we write. I want you to write about your classmates. This says some fun things we did together this school year was. And then you list things that you did fun together, okay? You can write their names. You can write what you like to play at recess. You can write who sat at your table. There's all kinds of things that you can write. So that is that assignment. Your other assignment for today is to write your numbers 1 to 100 in an ABC pattern. Do you remember our patterns? A would be one color, B would be one color, and C would be one color. And then they have to repeat in that exact order to make it a pattern. Remember, sometimes we had A, A, B, B, C, A, A, B, B, C, and sometimes we had A, B, A, B. That's the easiest pattern. But your assignment is 1 to 100, A, B, C. So you might do purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, green, and you got to keep up with it, okay? You have to keep up with it. And then I would like you to pick to read a story on My Aunt or to somebody in your home, a story that you have out of your reading book or just a book off your shelf. And then I would like you to complete some IXL work. Okay? All right. I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday. Bye.